Hi, we're back at Industrial Surplus for a video demonstration of a test grind on our Blanchard model 20K-36, built new in 1970 with 12-inch extra column height, 30 horsepower spindle motor, 20-inch diameter wheel, spindle RPM should be 705. And I'll sneak over here and we'll see what we can see. We're doing a test grind on these blocks for accuracy. So we have it temporarily set up with a coolant system, just being pumped out of a barrel. Equipped with a wheel dresser, of course, power down feed, amp meter gauge, all the control buttons, electromagnetic chuck. This machine was thoroughly gone through. We replaced the spindle bearings, took off the ways on the table, reground the ways, refit them to the saddle, rescrape the magnetic underside of the magnetic table, the rotary part, rebuilt the table in-feed motor and coupling, we rebuilt the transmission, put new bearings in the rotary rotation motor, new coupling, redid the lube system, added this pair adjust variable frequency control unit. The reason we did this is that this machine was originally built for European use at 380 volt 50 cycles. Of course, here in the US we run at 60 cycles, and that's 20% faster. We wanted to bring it back down so that the RPM of the motor was running at 705 RPMs. So we added this ABB, variable frequency controller, and what that did for us was it gave us 480 input on the machine. That's the only voltage you can put in the machine at this time. And the frequency controller here delivers 380 volts at 50 cycles. So we're going to grind these and we'll be back, take a look at them, flip them over, and do another test grind. Okay, we are back with a little bit of a different tactic on this operation for us. We decided to replace the wheels that we had on here. These are the wheels that were original, that we were grinding with, which are a very coarse wheel. It was scratching the material quite a bit. So we have decided to change it to a finer grit wheel. We dressed it off with the dresser, and we decided to grind the chuck. So we're in the process of grinding the chuck, and we'll come back when that's done, and we'll grind our parts again. Okay, this is Industrial Surplus, and we're back here with our Blanchard, 1970 Blanchard model 20K-36 with a 36-inch diameter magnetic chuck, electromagnetic chuck, and 20-inch diameter segmented wheels. Grinding wheel speed is approximately 705 RPMs, and I say approximately because we had added this ABB variable frequency controller to the electrical system controlling the spindle. The machine was originally wired for 380 volt 50 cycles, so we added this ABB controller, which we put in 480 volts, and it outputs 380 volts 50 cycles. and that's just to the spindle motor. The machine is in very good running condition. It is a 20K base, but at some point the conveyor was removed. We removed the ways on this machine, had them reground, put new garlock on the saddle, re-scraped the saddle ways to the ways, took the table off, reground the underneath side of the table. We surfaced the tabletops there, and we also rebuilt the table transmission and the table, or sorry, that's the table rotation, and the table in-out feed motor. This machine has also just been updated with new spindle bearings, rebalanced rotor, make sure everything was smooth, and we are ready to start the machine, and we'll show you how it operates. We have a few blocks here we're going to grind. Just do a skim coat for you. Okay, we're going to do this dry. We did have coolant set up earlier to do the chuck, and but we want, for demonstration purposes, we're going to cut do the skim coat here with it dry. So we bring the table into the stop, into the center. And then manually bring the wheel down. sparking out now, and that should be it. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and it's a good running machine. Thank you very much.